everyone, it's Yuvika here. Have you ever watched a British show and thought, what are they even saying? Well, today I'm going to teach you 5 super cool British slang words that will make you sound like a total pro. Let's go. Cheers. Now you might think, it's just for clinking glasses, right? But in the UK, they also use it to say thank you. Example, if someone holds the door open for you, just smile and say cheers. Bloke. This one is funny. Instead of saying a man, say bloke. It just means a regular guy. Example, he's a lovely bloke means he's a really nice man. Got it? This is a powerful word. Doesn't mean what it sounds like. It means you're really disappointed about something. Example, I was gutted when the concert was cancelled. Chuffed. This is the happy opposite of gutted. If you're chuffed, it means you're really pleased and proud. Example, my dad was chuffed when I made him a birthday card. Fancy. This is a tricky one. It can mean you like someone, but we'll use it for things. It simply means you want something or feel like doing something. Example, do you want to fancy an ice cream? Means do you want an ice cream? Awesome! Now for your challenge, try to use one of these words today. Maybe tell your mom you're chuffed with your dinner, or say cheers to your teacher. If you learned something new today, please give us this video huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out, and comment below which British slang word is your favorite. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!